Major funding for Postcards from Buster has been made possible by Chuck E. Cheese's, where a kid can be a kid. Hawaiian Airlines, proud supporter of Postcards from Buster, because learning, exploration, and discovery of new places will increase their knowledge when they have been around the world. Hawaiian Airlines, aloha, oi. American Airlines, proud supporter of Postcards from Buster, because exploring our great country is a marvelous thing.
Marvel Comics, creators of the Avengers, the Fantastic Four, Spider-Man, and Wolverine, proud sponsor of Postcards from Buster, to let a kid's imagination soar.
And by Barnes & Noble Booksellers, reminding you that fairness is playing by the rules, taking turns, sharing, and listening to others. Also, we remind you to take each time for reading. Barnes & Noble, for minds at play.
Additional support provided by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, the National Science Foundation, the U.S. Department of Education, this station and other public television stations. Also provided by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you. Postcards from Buster is funded in part also by these minor funders.